Hello students, this is Shachi Tandon. Welcome back to my channel Crack Chemistry. Today I am here with the class 8 topic. The name of the topic is Materials, Metals and Non-Metals Part 7. For Part 1 to Part 8 of this chapter, please the I button. Students, before starting, I just want to remind you to subscribe my channel for getting information about further important uploads. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. So now let's see what we are going to study today. Children, we will study about the chemical properties of non-metals today. So among chemical properties, we will study reaction of non-metals with oxygen, a reaction with water, a reaction of non-metals with dilute acids, a reaction of non-metals with bases, and the uses of non-metals. So I'll start my discussion with reaction of non-metals with oxygen. Non-metals form non-metallic oxide with oxygen. So here I'll write a general reaction of non-metals with oxygen. So non-metals they react with oxygen and form non-metallic oxides. So this is a very important point. You have to keep in your mind that non-metals react with oxygen and form non-metallic oxides. So I have written a general statement here. Now, non-metallic oxides are generally acidic in nature. They are acidic in nature because they form acids on dissolution in water. So, as they are acidic in nature, aqueous solutions of non-metals will turn blue litmus red. Then some of the neutral oxides of non-metals are also known. For example, some oxides of carbon and nitrogen are neutral in nature. As they are neutral in nature, they don't have any effect on any litmus paper, neither form acids nor bases on dissolution in water. So now I'm going to discuss reactions of some of the non-metals with oxygen. So first I'll take carbon as an example. So carbon react with oxygen and form CO2. So this is carbon, oxygen, carbon dioxide. So this carbon dioxide is acidic in nature. It is acidic in nature because on dissolution in water it forms carbonic acid, H2CO3. So H2CO3 is called as carbonic acid. So we have seen here carbon reacts with oxygen and forms CO2, which is an acidic oxide. Then one more oxide is formed by carbon. That oxide is neutral in nature. So I'm writing here C solid plus O2. Physical state of O2 is the gaseous state and it forms CO. CO is also in the gaseous state. To balance this reaction, we will write here 2C plus O2 gives 2CO. So this is carbon monoxide. CO is called as carbon monoxide. And this carbon monoxide is neutral in nature. It is neutral in nature means it has no effect on any of the litmus paper. And the oxide which we have discussed, carbon dioxide, this carbon dioxide is acidic in nature. This is an acidic oxide and CO is neutral oxide. Now we will discuss the reaction of phosphorus with oxygen. Children, phosphorus reacts with oxygen and form its oxide. So I'm going to write the reaction here. P4 physical state is solid plus 5O2 physical state is gas. What is formed here? 2P2O5 again in the solid state. So the name of P2O5 is phosphorus pentaoxide. Phosphorus pentaoxide. So this phosphorus pentaoxide is also an acidic oxide. It is an acidic oxide because it on dissolution in water forms acid. Phosphoric acid is formed. So now children, we will discuss an activity to show the nature of non-metal oxides. We have taken a deflagrating spoon. And in this deflagrating spoon, we have taken some powdered sulfur. So powdered sulfur is taken in this deflagrating spoon. So this is powdered sulfur. And now this sulfur in this spoon is allowed to burn. Once the sulfur starts burning, immediately we will put this burning sulfur inside the jar and make sure that the lid of the jar is closed. After some time, we will remove the deflagrating spoon from the flask and will put some drops of water inside the flask, and again we will close the lid immediately. Then we have an aqua solution inside the jar. This aqua solution is used to test whether the solution is acidic or basic with the help of blue litmus paper and red litmus paper. So when a drop of solution is placed on both the litmus paper, blue as well as red, we will see that blue litmus paper turns red. We will see that blue litmus paper turns red, but there is no effect on the red litmus paper. There is no effect on the red litmus paper. So this activity suggests that blue litmus paper turns red. So this activity suggests that sulfur on oxidation formed an oxide, sulfur dioxide. So when this sulfur dioxide was dissolved in water, it formed an acid. The name of the acid was sulfurous acid, H2SO3. Sulfurous acid, when put on the blue litmus paper, it has turned the blue litmus paper red. So I hope these points are clear to you. So the points which I have discussed just now, all these points are written here in this activity. Then finally we will see observation. The aqua solution so formed, it turns blue litmus red, and then we will see reactions involved. So children, there are two reactions taking place. What was the first reaction? The first reaction was that sulfur physical state is solid. So again we will write here S plus O2, and you know that the physical state of oxygen is gas, so I'm writing here S plus O2 is equal to SO2. SO2 again in the gaseous state. So children, sulfur dioxide is formed here. Then this sulfur dioxide, when dissolved in water, so I'm writing here H2O physical state. You know it is liquid state. Physical state is the liquid state. So H2O. Here I am writing in bracket L. So what is formed here? You will get an aqua solution of H2SO3. I am writing here aqueous. So what is H2CO3? H2SO3? So what is H2SO3? H2SO3 is sulfurous acid. So with the help of this activity, it is clear to you sulfur dioxide on dissolution in water forms sulfurous acid H2SO3, and this sulfurous acid is acidic in nature. So we can conclude aqueous solution of SO2 is acidic in nature. Now, one important point I want to discuss with you. Children, phosphorus is a very reactive nonmetal and catches fire on exposure to air. So, in order to prevent the contact of phosphorus, atmospheric oxygen, it is stored in water. So we store phosphorus in water to prevent its contact with atmospheric oxygen. Then a reaction with water. First reaction we have discussed, reaction of nonmetals with oxygen we have discussed. Now the second point is that reaction with water. Children, generally nonmetals do not react with water or steam. So they don't react with water or steam. I can write some reactions here like sea solid plus H2. No reaction. Then I am writing here S8 in the solid state plus H2. No reaction. I can write here P4 solid plus H2O. Again no reaction. I hope you are understanding all these points. It is no reaction. So among nonmetals you have very less reactions to learn. Then I can write here P4 plus SCl. Again no reaction. Then I am writing here S8 plus SCl. Again no reaction. No reaction. It sounds good. No reaction means you have less to learn. Then reaction of nonmetals with bases. Then reaction of nonmetals with bases. Children, reaction of nonmetals with bases is very complex, which you will study in your higher classes. Now we will discuss the uses of nonmetals. Children, nonmetals such as oxygen is essential for our life. You all know how important is oxygen for us. And all living beings inhale oxygen during breathing. Then the second application is that chlorine is used in water purification processes, and I'm sure that all of you must have smelled chlorine in swimming pools and in other water bodies. Third use is that nonmetals such as sulfur is used in crackers. And the fourth use is that iodine is used in purple color solution, which is applied on wounds as an antiseptic. So children, we will see what topics we have covered today. Today we have studied about chemical properties of nonmetals, then reaction of nonmetals with oxygen, a reaction of nonmetals with water, a reaction with dilute acids, a reaction of nonmetals with bases, and the uses of nonmetals. So I hope all these points are clear to you. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share it. Please ask your doubts in the comment box. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.